Oh, there's folks going in there, y'all.
It is.
Look, y'all. That's that chicken right there. Word is born, y'all. The shrimps are really small.
Oh, walk ahead, Deja. This is gonna be for the sex appeal.
No, it's not.
Atlanta. Daisy talking about she getting oysters, y'all. Hold up, y'all. There it is right there. It's JJ's Fish. Is it Just Fish or JJ's Fish? Yo, it's a little bit crowded in this joint right here. JJ's Fish and Chicken, y'all. We about to go in here. We're gonna get some whiting and I'm gonna get some fried chicken and just check it out. Let's see what Atlanta's doing down here, man, in the South. We about to order, y'all.
Oh, but shit, there's more stuff up here. We look. Listen, y'all.
Yo, I had to get a close up.
We trying to get a real combo with like fish, chicken, and shrimp. If anything that. We have.
Yo, they back there cooking, y'all. They got the styrofoams and stuff up there. Look, y'all, they got the hot sauce. Is that hot sauce? They got the ketchup, tartar sauce. All right, this is what it is right here, y'all. Look. Is that on the chicken already? Is it on the? It look like it's on here already.
It is.
Look, y'all. That's that chicken right there. You got that chicken right with them special season. What's the season called?
Crack seasoning.
Oh, it's called crack seasoning?
Yeah.
Word is born, y'all. The shrimps are really small. But it's the wings. It looks like it's wings in both of them.
Yeah.
Oh, you not eating no fish?
The big meal came with two. I'm not eating any fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
just the
look.
shrimp.
Look, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm going back too fast. We about to dig into this right here. We going for the wings first, y'all. Look at this. Look at this right here. Would you look at this? I don't want to drop them wings.
Don't drop them wings.
Hold up. You got hot sauce? You got hot sauce yet?
There's some hot sauce in there.
That's not hot sauce. Oh. I got the hot sauce, y'all. Let's check this out, man. First, we're going to get into this wing right here. It's big, too. These aren't small like certain spot I go to in Newark.
Not this ambassador shade.
That's a big, like, drumstick part of the wing.
I'm gonna try it without the hot sauce first because it's ready. Crispy.
Nice and crispy.
Oh wow.
Juicy. Like she said, it's piping hot.
That crack seasoning. I like it. The bone is still smoking.
You want, how many wings you want?
I like 3 or 4.
Take 2 of those. And I'm gonna bring the fish over here.
Okay.
This is nice and crunchy, y'all. The taste and the flavor is delicious. I taste that lemon pepper sauce on there.
Not to be a traitor, but I think this actually holds up to ambassadors. It's just me.
These wings are better than Ambassador.
I didn't want to say it, but they are.
Khalid, I love you, man. You know you my brother.
There's so much meat.
Just that fish, right? The fish got the lemon pepper sauce too, y'all. It's that whiting. Let's check out the whiting. Let's check out the whiting. That batter is the bomb, y'all. It's the batter. And that little lemon spice, lemon pepper seasoning.
It's so hot. So they got their bread underneath.
I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it now. I'm spitting and stuff. Or is that Deja spitting on me?
Maybe. Me and Matt back together again.
Y'all don't remember days that she was with me in Miami? Y'all gotta check out that video. I don't know what episode it is, but we'll put it up right there when we was in Miami, Florida.
Check it out. It was a good time.
There you go, y'all.
I'm mad I didn't get the frozen lemonade. I feel like I should have. Yeah. Have you tried the fries?
I haven't tried the fries yet. These jokers piping hot. They just came up out the grease. Look at the batter, man. The drumstick piece is even good. That hot sauce is nice and hot and spicy. I'm gonna try the French fries now, y'all.
I'm taking a pause right now, y'all. It's so good, though.
The French fries is good. They have that lemon pepper sauce on the French fries too. Is that too bright for y'all? You can hardly see it. You get a little thing of coleslaw too. I'm going back to the fish, y'all. I wasn't trying to block Daisy's face either.
He trying to steal my views, y'all. He don't want to see me grow. He don't want to see me be a creator.
Great stop. I'm glad we came here. This your man, Matt DB. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people, but you are hanging with the right cats now. We love y'all, and we'll see you at the next one. Peace. The fries are really good, too. We don't know if you're allowed to eat in here or not.
That's a good point.
We're eating in here.
That's a valid point. Because we don't want people just pulling up, trying to sit down. He a YouTuber.
YouTube.
Yeah.
What y'all tell how good it is. The chicken good. What about the chicken some bullshit?
It's the truth.
He'll tell him.
He said, what if the chicken was on bullshit? All right, this wing right here is a smaller one.
I know I am like that.
I'm sweating a little bit too.
I feel real bad.
There's mad people coming in and out of here, y'all. Like right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 people in here right now. 13, 14 with us. 2 cats just walked out, man. They just playing around. She took a couple bites out of hers.
That's what I eat. Unless this is the family account.
I like the smaller wings better than those big Goliath ones.
You saying that these are the big Goliath ones?
Like this piece of meat, I don't like the big fat meat like that.
Oh, okay. How about what?
I like this better. Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh, word! Once again, y'all, they packed. Delicious. We about to bust a move now. Break camp. We about to go get our workout on.
Oh, walk ahead, Daisy. This is gonna be for the sex appeal.
No, it's not.
It's like, pull your britches up. I'm not. Oh, the door was open. Yo, it's a gas station, y'all. This is where they at. It's actually like a gas station, John, right here. Chevron gas station, right? And then they got Yums. Wait a minute, Yums, Buffalo Wings, barbecue. But it's not people going to Yums, right? They got the food mart next door, Hunt Brothers Pizza. And then right there, JJ Fish. Is it JJ or JJ? It's originally from Chicago. Like Harold's, what? But this is the bomb, y'all. I'm going back to Chicago. We definitely gonna do Harold's chicken. But it's a done deal for now.